Hi, in this video I will show you how to connect Hotspot to another phone. So if another phone has Hotspot turned on and you want to connect because you don't have internet connectivity, what you can do is just head over and then connect to it just like any other Wi-Fi network. First things first, head over right here to your settings. Then after that, click on this Wi-Fi option. So you should be able to see in here some Wi-Fi suggestion. Head over and choosing here a Wi-Fi network that you want to connect to. Enter the password and then after that, you should be connected to that particular Wi-Fi network. So on some cases, if you're on Android, you won't be able to actually comprehend if it's a hotspot or a Wi-Fi network. So this is because the Android doesn't have the particular functionality just like an iPhone. So you can head over and then not make sure that it's a phone if you actually just ask for it. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.